Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, October 20th. Well, the weather pattern in the northeastern part of the country is still quite active, with a major storm still spinning over the eastern Great Lakes. However, drier air is wrapping around that storm into the mid-Atlantic region, and we should experience some partial sunshine today, although it'll still be quite windy with wind gusts past 30 miles per hour. That clearing trend will continue over the next couple of days, and we're headed for a pretty nice weekend here in the Mid-Atlantic region for the latter part of October. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. We still have a good storm system over the eastern Great Lakes and a large pressure gradient field surrounding this storm with strong west to southwest winds moving into the Mid-Atlantic region. In fact, drier air is wrapping around this storm from the southwest to the northeast, and the frontal system has now just about cleared the New York City region on its way up into New England, and drier air again is wrapping around from the southwest to the northeast, and all areas of the Mid-Atlantic region should experience some partial sunshine today, although these wind gusts will continue at about 30 to 35 miles per hour throughout the daylight hours today. Farther to the west, there's high pressure over the middle part of the country, and this will build into the Mid-Atlantic region for the weekend, and for the most part, mostly sunny skies and pleasantly cool conditions will be experienced throughout the Mid-Atlantic for this weekend. Well, one very useful tool for determining where the dry air is to look at the water vapor channel of the satellite, and this is from the Penn State EWOL website. This is the water vapor loop, and the darker areas are where the drier air is now moving in. Here's the storm system spinning out over the Great Lakes, and this drier air again is moving in from the southwest to the northeast. It first approached the D.C. region, then moved into Philadelphia, and now the drier air is really moving into the New York City region. So again, this storm will not really affect the Mid-Atlantic region except for the strong winds during the day today. All the precipitation should hang over the mountains in western and central Pennsylvania and western New York and maybe West Virginia, and the big cities of Washington, Baltimore, Philly, and New York should stay dry today, although again the winds will gust past 30 to 35 miles per hour. Now here's the latest radar loop, and again, for the most part, we're dry here already in the big city areas of the Mid-Atlantic region, from Washington across Philly and Baltimore to New York City. The frontal system that is whipping from the southwest to the northeast is still causing some showers and maybe some embedded thunderstorms up across central New York, but that's all moving to the north. Meanwhile, the storm itself is spinning over the eastern part of the Great Lakes. Out in the Ohio Valley here, you can see a large area of showers. That will stay to our west and will not affect the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, let's take a look at a couple of GFS Global Forecast System maps. This one is for this evening. Again, the storm spinning over the eastern Great Lakes, still quite a pressure gradient surrounding this storm, providing us with some gusty winds for the next 12 hours or so out of the southwest to west. Meanwhile, most of the precipitation, again, will be confined to areas in the mountains of central and western Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and western New York, and to points north and west of there throughout the region of the Great Lakes. Pretty dry here, it looks like, for the rest of today, and that dry weather pattern should continue right through the weekend with increasing amounts of sunshine as we approach the weekend. Here's a GFS map for tomorrow night. No more pressure gradient here in the Mid-Atlantic region. The winds will die down overnight tonight, and through the day tomorrow will be a little bit breezy. We have nothing like today. Again, that storm system is just headed up into southeastern Canada. Will throw no more precipitation our way. High pressure will then begin to build in during the day tomorrow, and that high pressure should provide us with a pretty nice late October weekend with plenty of sunshine and temperatures primarily in the low 60s during the afternoon hours. That's it for now. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.